Hey, what's up? So I figured to get started with learning Buildbox, the best place to go is the manual. You can get to the manual by going to tutorials on the Buildbox and then select guides below it. And you'll see it as like, I think maybe like the fourth link. Totally download that, print it out. It's like 100 pages, so it kind of adds up super quickly. Try to go somewhere cheap to print it, or I don't know, maybe you can print it at your own house. That's pretty good. I think I have the manual over here. Open that up. So today I figure we can go through the different types of games that are available. Most of these games been on the App Store before and done very well, and these are just like the core mechanics. And I think it's important to know that once you figure out how the building blocks of the foundation of each core mechanic in the game, then hopefully you can doing really cool things with it. But before we can do anything cool, what's going on? I've done maybe 2 tutorials, and I've actually gone through this before with all the different game types, so I thought it would be a good idea to make a video of it. Let's go through the manual. The first thing they go through in the manual is different types of games that they have. Welcome screen. Let's go ahead, create new. First game is Default. I think Default is probably just like a platformer. Maybe, I don't know. Let's find out. Let's find out. I don't know what it is. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's the thing that happens. This is a good example. And it could just be my computer, but I don't think it's my computer. Buildbox will just crash. It will just crash. I've worked on it before for like maybe, let's say, it took me like an hour to do a tutorial, and it didn't crash. But I have had it crash, like you just saw, just right then. So, Command S, everything. Do you want to load the previous session? No, because I didn't have anything. Ignore, ignore. So let's try that again. I don't know what Default is. I thought it was a platformer because I feel like Buildbox loves platformers, but maybe that's just phases. And a platformer is just like you have a dude and he goes in one direction and going through the world. It did not crash. It's on my other screen. So here we go. We got the character here. The walls, enemies. Oh, so this looks similar to like Line of Zen type of thing. Here you have your play button. This plays like everything, and this plays just that specific scene. Touch to move. Then yeah, you dodge these. Honestly, I like swiping more, and I've looked into it, and I think in the lock, like pop the lock type of game, they have ability to swipe. So I I don't know how you make things swipe yet, but I totally think you can do that. Um, yeah, see that happens sometimes. That's a little weird. Oh, okay, let's just close it before. Yeah, so you scroll out, scroll back. I'm using my little scrolling thing on my mouse. These are all different objects. Yeah, we're just going. Let's just go to the next one. New. The next one, I think, is a 360 shooter. See, this originally I thought was really cool, but it's a landscape. I don't like landscape. I'm open to landscapes. I've only made 2 games and they were not landscape. Um, but I do play some games on my phone that are landscapes and they're pretty cool. Okay, so here we go. This triangle is an enemy, and this little dot with the beak is a gun. Yeah, so we got a platformer. So move around, up, down. Oh yeah, okay, so this is like you hold up and down. Yeah. But then what does this do? Oh, well, that's not bad. Okay, so it's like a finger and you hold it. Nope, nope, move, nope. Okay, it's not. Oh, you have to keep your finger over here. Okay, that's one way to. Is that? Cool, and then this moves this. And then it's like you create a level. I'm trying to move it on the guy. Hold it here, and maybe it'll go into game over. I don't know. And then those are the same level over again. So this is a 360 shooter. I definitely have played some cool games on my phone, and I think there's a lot of opportunity. But I just don't like the little buttons. Um, I don't like that. I want the screen to be my button. All right, let's check out the next one. Oh, hold it down. Around the world. Okay, I've seen some cool games like this. Um, and I saw someone that posted, I think in the Buildbox forums, which is a cool place to look around. I'm gonna find a link. Somebody in the forums left kind of like this, but they just literally left links of everything, not everything, the majority of actual gameplay from these descriptions. So more than what you see here. I saw someone who created a game like this, except instead of it being on the outside, your dude was on the inside. So that looked really cool. And I'm definitely playing a game right now that I like that has a similar feature. Loop Heroes. It's cool. I like it. So yeah, here let's take a loop, and then tap to jump. Oh, and it's got a shadow. That's cool. Double jump. Oh, just double jumped into that spot. Let's see that again. So yeah, there's got to be like an infinite amount of ways that you can adjust this and make the game your completely own game. These are enemies. This is a platform. You can give it physics. I think this will make it fall to the ground. Maybe I don't know. Nope, doesn't do anything. So yeah, this is a cool one. I think there's a lot of potential here. Cool. Let's check out the next. Avoidance. Avoidance. Drag characters around screen or use arrow. So I think this one is also like the default, like the line of Zen. Let's take a look. You know what, I'm just going to show you if you hit this button and just straight up place the scene that you're in. That was good for me to figure out because I just died because I was talking. And so, you know, after watching a bunch of Buildbox videos, I definitely need to play Line of Zen more, you know, maybe. Ooh, playing on my iPad. I bet that's better. So yeah, Line of Zen, kind of just like the default. Not bad. I personally like it when you swipe. I guess getting to the point where you just like touch and then you move. I think that's just like a mental hurdle. Like my 35-year-old brain is like, don't. Oh, I want to swipe. Like swiping's so cool. But you know, whatever works. All right, what do we got next? Dogfight. That sounds cool. It's funny because I did this the other day, but I don't even remember these, and I think, ooh, what, before we have basketball. This one is in portrait, and yeah, this one's cool because it shows physics. I don't know of any games that are like this per se, but here you can see there's a bunch going on. I don't even know what this stuff. What is this? This is a transform. Transform is this. I wonder if I can page 10. If I can do this, Control F. Transform. What does transform do? Transform positions XY objects in scene. Okay. Rotation degree clockwise if not rotated at all. Scale, so you can change the size of it, bigger or smaller, or the opacity. Cool. Can I go back to page 10? Oh, maybe up here. 11. Yeah, perfect. Let's check it out. So there's like transform pieces up here and here and here and not even. I feel like I don't see anything getting. Ooh, yay! So this is cool. Show the physics that you can do. I'm just gonna. I don't see anything getting. Oh, you know what's probably getting transformed? From nothing to something, because there's nothing here, and then now there's like a ball. But where what happens if I move this over here? Like, what happens? And what are these? Transform balls? Linear velocity, linear velocity. So this up here is the location, and this is linear velocity modifier. So I guess if you hit it, it bounces off faster. Let's add a 1 to that. All right. Yeah, okay. Oh, it's the transform is for the ball shooter. Okay. Okay, so it moves the object this way, and then when it hits it, it's like, yo, go back the other. Oh, so here to here to here. But what is it? This? Oh, I bet this is for these. Gives the clouds some kind of transform 3. Yeah, who knows? Let's go to the next one. What do we got? Basketball. Dogfight. Dogfight sounds cool. Portrait mode. I like that. Distance. Like that. Endless. I like that. Okay, this looks like maybe it's kind of like Line of Zen with guns. Touch to move. Okay, so it's like automatically firing. I want to... Alright. I wonder if I can take this guy and make him fire faster. Is that an option? Do I have that option? Scale, opacity. Maybe if I go to character, this is the guy. Bullet. Cast shadow. Okay, it looks like he's doing that. What do we got? Direct movement. That keeps him still, so he doesn't move if he gets run into a wall. Yeah, I don't know. Damn it. I just want to fire more bullets, man. Oh, so this is like a randomizer. It's a range. So I'm going to go from 0.2 to 1. I spawn action permanent. Sure. So I think this makes it from 0.2 milliseconds to 1 second. Yeah. Let's give that a go. Let's see how that looks. Oh, you see that? It's like a double fire. Oh, shit. Yeah. Okay, but I'm not gonna lie. I think I want to do 0.02 to 0.05. 0.5. So 0.02 is like 0.2. If 0.2 is 2 milliseconds, so 0.5 is half a second. I don't know what it's called, but it's going to be fast. So, yeah. Yeah, that's what I want. I want that. Do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again. Yeah, do it again. Ah, damn it. Cool. All right. What do we got next? Downward bounce. Landscape. That's okay. That's not hate. I will probably make some landscape games someday. So let's get into it. What is it called? Downward bounce. Downward bounce. Like Jupiter jump. I hope you know what that is. Look that up later. Actually, why don't I just look it up right now? Ooh. Yeah, that looks cool. Okay, so this is it. Jupiter jump. We got some enemies. Landscape mode. So you tap to fall. Oh, you know what? There was a game that I really enjoy playing called, I think it's called Bounce. Released by Ketchup. I love the colors. But even that shit's in portrait mode. Okay. This is what we can do. Nope. Character. Auto tilt. I don't know about this stuff. I don't know about this stuff. Here we go. Bounce force. So x-axis, y-axis. -80. Let's do -280. But will he bounce out? Oh, what? No. Oh, yes, save it. No, I don't need to save it. I'm doing the walkthrough. All right, let's check it out. I hope he doesn't. Well, so he doesn't go all the way up. Oh, I thought he would bounce and like. Yeah. Okay, I like that. Yeah, this is sick. It looks a little laggy. I bet it looks laggy on yours. I'm thinking that's my computer. Computer's not that old, but I made some modifications to it recently, and I think it's totally affecting everything. Cool, I like it. What was that one called? Downward bounce. All right, fall button, pitfall style with left and right controls. Where are we? Downward bounce, fall buttons. Let's check it out. Yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen. So I did this the other day and I can't remember. Oh yeah, okay. This is if you get to the bottom or whatever, then you die. Yeah. Oh, and this is map 1. D is to copy, and you can literally go over your scene. I think this is called a scene. Let's copy it. So I'm gonna copy it, and I'm kind of just. I think there's a way to, yeah. Here you go. Here you go. You can just like reverse everything. Or position. I'm just put at a negative. No, that's bad. Then. Control Z. Position. What's that? Rotation. It's at a negative. Yeah, sure, cool, whatever. Oh, you know what? I could just lift it up too. Rotation. Let's do a negative. Here. Oop, that's the background. Oh, background. Lock it up in place. Do this. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, what happens if you cut it off here? That's what I want to know. S for down. Copy. I'm just messing around, so it doesn't matter. Yeah. Cool. And I hope that spike doesn't fuck me up. Actually, I didn't want to play just this level. I wanted to play all of it. So yeah, again, that button, this one right here, will play just this specific scene, and this will start from the beginning. I want to start from the beginning. That was close. Oh, look, this is actually rotated. Oh wait, that's the scene I created. But I thought when I created the scene, it was like outside of the layer, which I guess is okay. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna have to be fast with this one. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, cool. Cool shit. So this is Vol button. All right, let's see what else we got. Vol switch, portrait mode. I bet you it's the same thing, but with the switch. Touch to change directions. Yeah, these are like okay. I mean, not my favorite. But I guess here you're just trying to think of like what you could do, right? Make it move faster. It could be like racing down, lines coming up, whatever. That would be cooler. That'd be so much cooler than this. Why don't I try to make that? Okay, I'm getting cocky, aren't I? Let's yeah, I'm gonna just delete a bunch of this stuff. Put this at 0. Do something like that. Duplicate it like that. Yeah. And I'll just put these wherever. Because he's going... Wait, I think the dude is just going to fall. I do think he will just straight fall. So, let's... I made a couple levels. I wonder if I can change its physics. Well, I don't know what that is. Background. Alright, can I... Alright, let's see. Background. Wait, start menu. Oh. Yeah, no, just get rid of all this. I feel like the background is moving. Tilting, reset, image, scale. Speed, here we go. 8. I like the number 8. There's a character, position. So if I can maybe like take away his ability to have physics would be great. I don't see it. Did you see it? Ooh, event, switch. This is the thing I was talking about that lets you go swiping left and right. Linear velocity. Here we go. Advanced move. Oh, this is left and right. Oh, yeah. Okay, so every time you tap, you go left. That's what this is. Or right. I don't know. Negative 35 sounds like left. Right on the x-axis. But we want to remove gravity if that's a thing. Platform friction, maybe. Ground threshold. Bounce. Purchase item. Fall attribute. No, I don't see it. I think he's gonna fall. Let's take a look. Yeah. Ooh, but can I move him? Yep. See, actually, that's almost kind of like a cool game. Oh, but you see that? He's like jumped. Damn it. Yeah. Okay, whatever. Let's go to the next one. See, that's pretty cool. I mean, I don't even know what I'm doing, and I like that. That's for sure. It's definitely fall switch. Okay, the next one is Flappy. Anyways, fun fact about Flappy Bird. Did you know that that game was out for 2 years before some dude who was like a reporter or a journalist or just somebody who had followers on Twitter was like, damn, this game's cool. And then it blew up. Did you know that? Because I'm like 95% sure that that is true. Yeah, so this is total Flappy Bird. Pretty cool though. I mean, whatever kind of basic foundation it's here. And I saw somebody made almost like a color switch Flappy Bird tutorial, so that looks cool. I'm totally going to do that, so you should be there for that. Hey, Gravity Portal. I totally like the way that sounds. I was playing with this one the other day. This is cool. Look, let's just go into it. Landscape mode. So tap to change gravity. So you hit this, and it gives you the illusion that it's like teleporting the ball from A to B. I don't like the fact that you could go halfway. I feel like you should just one or the other. Anyways, yeah. And I saw that. I'm like, oh, that's so cool. It teleports it, right? Because portal makes you think teleport. But no. What they do is they actually have two balls, and then when you go through the scene, like look at this, they have the spikes right here. So if you were to hit this, if you were like up in the air or down here, you're definitely going to hit it. So, and then same thing like over here and here. So pretty cool. This is, I think, one of the features where you just like figure out how to use Buildbox and do cool shit on top of shit that may not have originally been designed that way, be designed to be open and come up with new ideas, and I think that's exactly what they're doing here. So that's pretty cool. Gravity Runner. I don't know what this one is. Gravity Runner. Side scroller where a touch of the screen swaps gravity between up and down. Is that not what we just did? Oh, okay, I think it's similar but just one screen. Yeah, totally. It's the same. So it's almost like they took that game and they added a thing in the middle and made it like 2 games. So just to help show you that you can do more than meets the eye. All right, touche. All right, Gravity Runner. I think Gravity Portal is cooler. Okay, Impossible. Why does this sound familiar?